Uh, Very good evening to everyone. Uh, Sorry for delay. Keep joining everyone. Keep joining. Keep joining. Hello. Hello. কিছু না, join করো। Hello everyone. Keep joining everyone. Keep joining. Sorry for delay. Keep joining everyone. Very good evening to my dear students. Those are uh, present in the class. Please mention your name and hit the like button. Okay. Due to some reason, I cannot start at 9 p.m. Okay, so that's why I am telling you I will be start at keep joining everyone. Those are okay. Ankit, very good evening. Sapam, very good evening. So please join everyone. Okay, sorry for some delay. Okay, because I am a PhD GRA at IIT ISM Dhanbad. Okay, so that's why I need to do some work from office. So I am today little bit delay because I am just coming from my office at 8:55. Okay, that's why some delay. So are you ready everyone for today class? Ready everyone? Those are present in the class, please join the class as soon as we have start the class. Okay, please join everyone. So any doubt regarding previous classes? Any doubt anyone? How's going on your preparation? Those are sitting in the class, please mention your name. Okay, those are sitting in the class, I have seen only Sapam and Ankita, and please hit the like button. Please hit the like button so I mark your attendance for the after the class. Okay, so today class is okay. Shravani, uh, those are attend the class, please mention your name. Okay, okay, no problem. So shall I start the today class? क्या आज के क्लास के लिए सब लोग तैयार हो? ऐसे भी बहुत ठंडी है, ठीक है, तो क्या आज का क्लास के लिए सारे लोग बहुत तैयार हो? अगर आज के क्लास के लिए सारे लोग तैयार हो तो प्लीज प्रेस यस. ओके, yes, yes, okay. So let's start the today class. Okay, so this is your first question. Okay, question is matching the flowing. uh, One is relay scattering, second is mesh scattering, satellite that revolve around the earth and use remote sensing, satellite that cover fixed area of the earth surface. Okay, so option A, shorter wavelengths are scattered, longer wavelengths are scattered, geostationary satellite and polar orbiting satellite. So try to give the answer, everyone. Okay. Okay, Arvind, Ankit, those are sitting in the class, please try to option, try to answer. Okay, Shravani C, Arvind C, Ankit B. Shapam, are you there? Shapam C. Those are sitting in the class, please try to answer. Okay. Just we have waiting another 1 minute. After that, we have discussed. Why? Sorry, sir. C, Ankit. Why not options B? Anyone from the those are present in the class? Anyone? Why option C is right? Any statement? Why not option B? The correct answer is option C. Okay. So at first, relay scattering. Okay, relay scattering, shorter wavelength earth scatter, miss scattering, longer wavelength earth scatter, satellite that revolve around the earth and used in the remote sensing, that is the polar orbit, satellite that cover fixed area of the earth surface, that geostationary orbit. Okay, so let's discuss little bit about the relay scattering and miss scattering. Okay, so what happen now whenever this is the sun, okay, and sun illuminating energy all possible wavelength. Okay, so what happen whenever the electromagnetic radiation passes through the atmosphere, some of the energy is directly scattered. Okay, so what happen now, those particles are smaller than 1 by 10. Okay, suppose if wavelength is wavelength is 10 micrometer, or okay, if in relay scattering one wavelength is 10 micrometer, so those particle in the atmosphere present, the particle parameter size 10 times below. Okay, 10 times means now 1 by 10 micrometer. Okay, that's time what happened now, relay scattering happened. Now relay scattering mainly consists of scattering caused by the atmospheric molecule and other teeny particles that occurs when the particles causing the scattering are much smaller than the diameter, less than 1/10 than the wavelength of radiation interact with them. Okay, so that's why, can anyone tell me why sky is blue? Why clean sky look blue? Anyone? Those are sitting in the class. Anyone? Or who is scattering? Sky is blue. Relay scattering or miss scattering? Then go to the miss scattering. Okay. Okay. Arvind. Anyone? Those are sitting in the class. Another type of scattering is miss scattering, which occurs when the wavelength of the energy is almost equal to the diameter of the atmosphere particle. This type of scattering, longer wavelength, also get scattered compared to relay scattering. Okay, in the figure 4. So what happen? Now relay scattering is happen for the, now when the particle matter in the, suppose this is the atmosphere. Okay, this is some particles, the particles are lesser than wavelength 1 by 10, but miss scattering, the particle matters are equal to the wavelength. Okay, are equal to the wavelength, and particle matter their diameter. Okay, if particle matter is 5 micrometer, then the part is 5 is micrometer of the wavelength, then particle matter also diameter 5 micrometer. That's time what happened? Now miss scattering is open, happened. Okay, then go to the option satellite that revolve around the earth, use remote sensing, that's called polar orbiting satellite. Why polar orbiting satellite? Now you know intensity of scattering light in the proportionally fourth power of the wavelength color blue more than red color. Okay, so can anyone tell me why at the sunset time, okay, sky is like a red, sky color is look like a red? Anyone? When sunset is going, okay, then sky color is look like a red. Anyone? Those are sitting in the class. So what happened? Now polar satellite are, this is the earth. Okay, suppose this is earth, this is the north pole and this is the south pole. Okay, the polar satellite or sun synchronous satellite are moving north to south. Okay, north to south. It is synchronized according to the sunlight, because now passive remote sensor cannot collect the data without sunlight. So this is, it is polar to polar. But in geostationary satellite, suppose this is the equator, it is fixed on the same area. Okay, if it is focusing on this area of the earth surface, in 24 hours it is focusing same area, because the geostationary satellite and the earth rotational period speed are same. If the earth one orbital period is 24 hours, then geostationary satellite orbital period is 24 hours. That's why now uh, satellite that cover fixed area of the earth surface. Okay, then go to the next question. There is the some wavelength and characteristics. Okay, so match this option, wavelength and characteristic. So try to answer. There is the wavelength and their characteristic. Okay, so match the wavelength and their characteristic. Please try to match. At first it's 0.3 to 1 micrometer. Okay, then 1.3, 1.6, 2.2 micrometer, 3.0 to 5.0 micrometer, 8.0 to 14 micrometer, and greater than 5000 micrometer. Okay, so first option is microwave. Atmosphere is mostly transparent. Option B, thermal infrared, 2 broad bands. Okay, option 3, reflectance infrared, 3 narrow bands, and greater than 500 after ultraviolet, visible, and photogrammetry. Okay, so Ankit, Arvind, Tapam, Sahitarun, Savoni, please try to answer. Sahitarun, please try to answer. Sahitarun, are you trying to give the answer? So everyone, those are answered. Option C is right. Okay. Okay, option C is right. Why? Now 0.3 to 1 is the need. Guys, you need to this question explanation, or I keep this question, go to next question. Yes or no? क्या आप लोग को इस क्वेश्चन का एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए, और स्किप करके मैं दूसरा क्वेश्चन चला जाऊं? Those are sitting in the class, do you need I am explaining this question, or leave this question, go to next question? Yes or no? Please type Y or N. Please type Y or N in short form. Okay, Arvind, next question. Anyone? Sai Tarun, Savani, Sapnam. Okay. I am waiting for Savani, Sapam and Sai Tarun. Just type Y or N. Okay. So before that, just go to remember. Okay. Only some few things. So this is the atmospheric window. Okay. Okay. So it's Savani asking only. Okay. Why? So wavelength is 0.321 is the which portion? Which portion is the upper ultraviolet, visible and photogrammetry, infrared approximately 90% of transmission. Okay, if we are going through 0.321 micrometer, this region is ultraviolet, visible and infrared. Okay, their transmission rate is 95% because all about know that higher the frequency, lower energy or less energy. If frequency is high, frequency is high, okay, then energy is low or high. Please tell me, if frequency is high, then energy is low or high? Yes or no? Low or high? Please type L or H. Anyone? If frequency is high, then energy is low or high? Please type L or H. Okay, please type. Okay, Sai Tarun. Yes, it is the high energy. Okay, that's why now upper ultraviolet, visible, uh, photogrammetry, uh, photographic, infrared, approximately 95% transmission. Arvind, you are wrong. Okay, frequency low, that means energy low. It is not the, it is directly proportional. If frequency is high, then energy also high. Okay, why? Now if you go to the ultraviolet, visible, infrared, okay, that's why we have made a pixel like a 10 meter, 5 meter pixel. Okay, 5 meter or 10 meter pixel. But whenever we have going to the thermal infrared, you have no, it is 60 meter or 100 meter. Those are using Sentinel 2. You know that why the pixel size is 20 meter. After that नियर इंफ्रारेड जैसे शॉर्ट वेव इंफ्रारेड का 20 मीटर क्यों है पता है? दिस रीजन इज ना frequency low. Whenever we have going to the higher wavelength, the energy is low. Okay, that's why we need to pixel size is bigger, because if you go to the 5 or 10 meter, this is not sufficient to get the energy. Okay, that's why whenever we go to short wave infrared, thermal infrared, the pixel size is higher. This is the main reason. Okay, another is 1.3, 1.6, 2.2 is reflected infrared and 3 narrow bands. Okay, then 3 to 5. Now question is why we have selecting 3 to 5 and 8 to 14. Okay, because because 5 to 8 is strongly absorption band. Okay, if you see here, okay, 5 to 8, 5 to 8, this portion is strongly absorbed. Okay, that's why we need to 2 to 5 and 8 to 14. Okay, now our earth surface temperature is like a how much? 27 degree, 28 degree or 16 degree. That's why we have take the 8 to 14 micrometer thermal infrared data in Landsat image. Okay, that's region. Whenever we have measuring the forest fire or something bigger fire, that time we took a now 3 to 5. Okay, this is clear to everyone. You have got the lots of information from this image. Is clear? So now go to the next question. A question may be asked, for the forest fire, which region we have select? Now 3 to 5, because this is the higher frequency and forest fire also the higher energy. Okay, the Planck's law, if you read the Planck's law, you have easily captured this. And why to take 8 to 14 micrometer? Because our earth surface like a near to 0 degree. Okay, that's why. So the data are the given data can be organized in the band sequential format. Okay, here is the some data like A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Okay, so please arrange the data as per band sequential order. Okay, do you know BIL, band interval by line, BSQ, okay, and VIP. Okay, band sequential format and band interleaved pixel. So the given data can be organized in band sequential format. Okay, please try to answer everyone. Please try to answer everyone. Bill, beep, BSQ. Okay. Tapam, Shravani, Arvind, do you know the Bill, BSQ, beep? What is beep, BSQ and Bill? Please type fastly yes or no. Okay. Tapam, Shravani and Arvind. Okay. Please type. You know the Bill, BSQ and beep? What is Bill, BSQ and beep? So before that the option B is right. Okay. Option B is right. So what happened? Okay. Okay. So at first go to BIL. Okay, BIL, what is this? So what is BIL? Band interleaved by line. Okay, suppose here is the data 1, A1, A2, A3. Okay, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Suppose there is the 3 band like a band 1, band 2 and band 3. Okay, so there is a pixel A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So what happened in the band interval by line? At first store A1, then A2, then A3. Okay, then B1, then B2, then B3. Okay, then C1, C2 and C3 by line. Okay, that is BIL. Then BSQ. Okay, BSQ, how to format band sequential order. So you have seen A1, A2, A3. At first store A1, A2, A3. Then go to same line also B2, B1, B2 and B3, and uh, C1, C2, C3. This is the BSQ. And band interleaved by pixel. How to store it? Band interleaved by pixel. Anyone? Anyone? How to store the data bands sequential pixel? At first store A1, then B1, then C1. Okay, then A2, then B2, then C2, C3, C2. Okay, then again A3, B3 and C3. So here we have seen it is arranged line by line. At first A1, A2, A3, then B1, B2, B3, then C1, C2, C3. Here we have seen in the sequential at first A1, A2, A3. Okay, like this is the blue band. Okay, then store the green band. Okay, then go to the red band. Okay, in the red band in the band sequential order. But whenever go to the band pixel, what happened? Now at first suppose blue band का A1 पिक्सल स्टेयर होगा, then green band का क्या होगा B1 पिक्सल, then red band का C1. Okay, again what happened? Again go to the A2, then B2 and C3. It is clear to everyone now? Now clear? Savani, Sapam, Arvind, clear how to store the data? This is the raster data format. Okay, raster data format. After the class, please read briefly. There may be one question come from this section because in 2 years no question come from this. This is the very important topic, VVI. Okay, very important raster data format. Clear everyone? Okay. Now go to the next question. So here is the confusion matrix. Okay, this is the dense vegetation, water body, sharp land, open dam, agriculture and total. Okay, and then also so you need to calculate the overall accuracy. Overall accuracy. Please calculate everyone. Overall accuracy of this confusion matrix. কোথায় রে? তুই আমি ব্যস্ত পরে যাব 10টা So anyone calculate the overall accuracy? Anyone, those are sitting in the class? Okay. Please write down the diagonal value and total value. Arvind. Sapam, Saboni, Ankit, and Sai Tarun. Please calculate the overall accuracy of the data. Please calculate, everyone. Or shall I do? If you yes or no, only type chat box Y or N. Shall I do the calculation? Yes or no? Okay. Arvind and Sapam, please write down the diagonal value, total diagonal value of the confusion matrix. Okay. Anyone? Okay, shall I go for the calculation? So how to calculate the overall accuracy? So this is the confusion matrix. Okay. This is the confusion matrix. Okay. One is dense vegetation, water bodies, sharp. Okay. So at first you need to summation of the diagonal value. Diagonal value means that user and producer. So suppose if you classify a image, okay, dense vegetation, total point is 1247. So matching value here is the diagonal value, danger, and the water bodies and shrubland and open dam. Okay, so if you calculate the diagonal value all of these like a 12339 plus 1636 plus 4474. Why we have take the diagonal value? Because the user and producer are the, this is the true value. Okay, this is the matching value by the, because water body has the second column and water body is the second row, here sharpland is the third column and a third row, third column. That's why we have at first calculate the total sum of diagonal value, that is 33966. Okay, divided by the total value. Total value, this is the this total. Okay, this total value is 34339 into 100, that we have got the overall accuracy. Okay, it is clear to everyone how to get the overall accuracy. Then go to the error of omission and or error of commission. Okay, every year a question come from this section, 2 marks. Okay, if you calculate and if you know the step, you have get the 2 point from this section. Every year have asking one question from this section. Okay, so error of omission means the, it is the omission. Okay, so at first the node mismatch value. So where water bodies is 31 fall in vegetation, shrubland 1 is fall in dense vegetation. Okay, open dam fall in dense vegetation. So at first you need to add this value. Okay, so you can see here 31 plus 24 plus 78 divided by the total value. Okay, that is the error of omission. Error of omission means you need to add this value divided by the row total. Okay, row total, this is the error of omission. So remember, error of omission means this value by the row total, this value by the this total. Okay, again if you asking the water bodies, that what happened that time, what you can took, anyone, if you asking the water bodies, anyone? And if you go to the error of user accuracy and producer accuracy, what is user accuracy and producer accuracy? User means whenever you have take the ground truth point, and producer means the predicted value. Okay, where user accuracy of dense vegetation is how much? Now 17. User accuracy means this value divided by this value into 100. Okay, if you asking water bodies, then 7. So user accuracy means what? User accuracy means this value divided by this value. This is the actual classified value and this is the total value. Okay, here total value is 12,382 and the classifier is 12,339. So you need to divided this by this value. This is the user of accuracy, and user of produce means you need to this divided by this into 100. Okay, please note it down in your notebook how to calculate the user accuracy and producer accuracy. Okay, यूजर एक्यूरेसी क्या होता है? द टोटल क्लासिफाई वैल्यू, ट्रू वैल्यू, द मैचिंग वैल्यू और ट्रू वैल्यू जो क्या है डेंस वेजिटेशन से डेंस वेजिटेशन में मैच कर गया. ठीक है, दिस वैल्यू डिवाइडेड बाय दिस वैल्यू इनटू 100. so you have seen here total value is 382, 12,000, here 339, so 12,339 divided by this value, then you get the user accuracy. And producer accuracy, this value divided by total producers. Okay, why? The total value is 12,339 but producer had some dense vegetation point going in water body, sharpland, open dam, okay, and agriculture. That's why the producer accuracy is 99.39. It is clear to everyone? Shall I go for next question? Yes or no? Okay, so those are sitting in the class, please type yes or no. We remember, okay, how to calculate. At first you need to the diagonal value divided by this value, you have got the overall accuracy, error of omission, this value divided by this value, column total, that is error of omission, this value total divided by this value, that is error of omission, user accuracy, this value divided by this value into 100, and the producer accuracy of dense vegetation, that means this value into this value. So now a question, there is a color of a band combination, or this is the color, just CCC natural color, color infrared, okay, false color, healthy vegetation, land and water. You need to the match from this color which band combination represent the true color composition. Which band composition present the color infrared vegetation? Okay, and false color. So match the column A and column B and type your answer. Matching this color to this option. Okay, natural colors present which band combination? One information I am taking Landsat 8 image. Okay, Landsat 8 image, that's why 4 is red, 3 is green and 2 is blue and 5 is infrared, 6 is photowave infrared and 2 is blue. So please mismatch from column 1 to column 2. True color. Okay, Sapam. Okay, Ankit, Shravani, Sai Tarun, Arvind, please mismatch. Please match. Sorry. So at first go to the match option. Natural color red, green, blue. Okay, that's why 1 is C. Okay, then color infrared vegetation, near infrared, option D, color infrared vegetation, near infrared, red and green. So 2 go for D. Then false color urban, shortwave infrared 1 and 4 red. So false color urban going for 3 is C. Okay. Sorry, false color urban is B. So 3 is B. Then healthy vegetation, anyone? A. And land water, I think I am something wrong. Sir, option B is right. Yes. It is clear to everyone. 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A and VE. Clear? Any question regarding from section? Clear everyone? Any question from this section? From this question? Any question? Shall I go for next question? Yes or no? Okay. Then go to next question. Okay. Find the value of logical operation X or. Okay. The binary image A and B. Assume 1 to be foreground and 0 be background pixel. Okay, so find out the logical operation XOR okay, from two binary image A and image 2B. Okay, XOR we have already discussed in previous class, like a second class, what is AND, OR, XOR and NOR. Okay, I need all of those are sitting attend the regular class. Please do it. Okay, please do it. Find the value. It is clear to everyone the question? The question is clear to everyone? Please try to answer this question. Okay. Okay. Arvind option 3, Ankit option 3. Sai Tarun, Shaboni, Sapam, are you there? Please try to give the answer option XOR. Option A is right answer. Okay, why? Find the value operation XOR of a binary image. At first you know what is XOR. Suppose this is a value and this is a value. Okay, if a pixel value is 0, okay, and another image pixel value is 0 in XOR condition, in one pixel value is 1, then another pixel value is 1, that also 0. If one pixel value is 1, another pixel value is 0, that equal to 1. Okay, now I found out the which option is suitable. XOR, इसमें क्या होना चाहिए, एक डिफरेंस होना चाहिए. That's why whenever we are going to the symmetrical difference, okay, symmetrical difference, have you performed the anyone symmetrical difference in GIS software? Symmetrical difference, तो क्या हुआ, if two data has no value then also 0 value. So if you go to the this section, okay, only this section 0 0 and 0, what happened? Now you have seen this portion is 1, okay, and this portion also what, match from this section. If you go to this section, 0, this also 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0, then 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Now clear to everyone? Sai Tarun, please go to my previous MCQ series. Okay, I think first or second days. Can anyone tell me? I will detailedly discuss it. Can anyone tell me which class I have discussed about the Boolean algebra? First class or second class MCQ series? So Sai Tarun, please go through the MCQ series. Okay, only one thing remember, in XOR condition 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 1 plus 1 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Okay, whenever though 2 is same, that also 0. Whenever 2 pixel is same from different side, that is 0. If there is a difference, then is 1. Okay, then is 1. If you going to performance a symmetrical difference image, if you go to the GIS software and perform those symmetrical difference, that time you have find these options. Okay, then go to the next question. Given a raster of elevation like on the below left, okay, which parameters must be extracted from obtain a hillside height. So there is a raster data, there is a elevation point 0 to 400 meter. Okay, here we have extract a hillside data. Okay, so give a raster of elevation like a one below left, which parameter must be extracted from obtain a hillside right. This is the DEM data digital elevation model, and this is the hillside data. So which option is right? Okay, so Saiturun, go to the first class and take it. Okay, so tell me, given a raster elevation like in below, which parameters must be extracted from the obtained hillside? This is the MSQ. Okay, MSQ question. गिवन ए रास्टर एलिवेशन, सपोज इनिशियली हमारे पास एक डीम डेटा था, डीम डाटा से हम क्या प्रिपेयर कर लिया, हमने हिल सेट प्रिपेयर कर लिया. ठीक है, हिल सेट से हमें क्या मिल सकता है? ACD. ओके, ओके, प्लीज ट्राई टू आंसर. The answer is aspect of each cell and the height of the sun with the respect to each cell. Okay, answer is aspect of the each cell and the height of the sun with the respect of each cell. Option A and C is right. Okay, not gradient or the azimuth of the sun with the respect to each cell. Not the azimuth, not only we have got the height of the sun with respect to each cell. Height of the sun, suppose there is a data, okay, and you prepare a hillside map, that if you easily identify the height of the sun with respect to each cell. So here to here the sun height is low, but whenever going to this point the sun height is higher. Okay, suppose this elevation is 1000 meter. Okay, this is 50 meter. So if sun is above the, like I assume 600 meter. Okay, so what happened? The height of the sun with the each cell. So what happened? The height of the sun, this point is 6000 minus 1000 equal to 5000 kilometer. Suppose in this point what happened? Now 5950 meter. So we can get the height of the sun with respect of each cell and the aspect of each cell. Okay, then go to the next question. Determine the distance between satellite and user if the time difference can be calculated as a 3 minute. Okay, suppose determine the distance between satellite and user. Here is the satellite. Okay, here you have a user. So the time difference is 3 minutes. Okay, so calculate the distance. We have prepared this type of question our on the paid course MCQ series. Okay, MCQ series. If anyone anyone interested to buy the MCQ or mock test, you may contact. This all type of question prepare our mock test, okay, or MCQ series. Those are new. We have a official Android, okay, in the Play Store in same name, remote sensing GIS home. If you find, then you can get. And Tarun, can you describe me why option C? Hi Tarun, can you describe me why option 3? Why option 3? Why option 3? Ankit? The option C is right. Okay. So the distance between satellite and user can be determined using this formula. Distance, we know all the, yes. So speed of the light by the time difference. So we know speed of the light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 into the time difference is 3 into 60. So we know 1 second de kitna travel karta hai, 3 into 10 to the power 8. तो 180 सेकेंड में कितना हो जाएगा, 3 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 8, ओके, इंटू 80. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, 18 3 54, यहाँ पे 10, सो 54 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 9. इट इज क्लियर अंकित? अंकित क्लियर? यस. डिस्टेंस समान c इंटू t, speed of the light by the time difference. Okay, so thank you everyone. If you any doubt, any query regarding today class, you may ask now. You may ask regarding any doubt. Regarding any doubt, you may ask now. If you have any doubt, any query. And one thing, tomorrow I will take no class. I will be take class on Thursday, okay, 18th January. Tomorrow I will take no class. I will take class on 18 January, Thursday, okay, Thursday I will take a class. Okay, thank you Arvind. So tomorrow I will not take any class, I will take class on 18 January at 9 p.m. And please share among your friends, okay, or those are preparing for GATE Geomatics engineering. We have tried to different type of question, numeric, MSQ, some new information. Those like some of the people don't know about the BSQ, VIP, bill. Okay, there is maybe one question can be come, and some of the different technique. And one thing, Arvind, our state-based students, and he performance good, better than the among other of the students. Okay, so if you now try to buy MCQ test series, or you need to any kind of whole help, you may ask. Okay. So thank you everyone. Good night. See you on 18 January. Thank you. So you may leave the class. Now you may leave. Thank you everyone. Good night everyone. We will meet you on 18 January. Okay, tomorrow I will take no class. So thank you everyone. Keep patient and keep watching Remote Sensing GIS Home, and please share among your friends. Sai Tarun, if you have any doubt, any query, Tapam, are you there? Those are new. If you have any doubt, any query, or you need to any kind of help from this, you may ask. Okay. Good night, everyone.